Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the notifications in the Overcast application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the settings button that is on the top of the page on the left. And if you scroll down, you can see per podcast settings, and under that notifications for new episodes. And if you click on that, you can enable the notifications to all of your podcasts, and also you can turn all them off. However, I only have one podcast currently, so I can just change it by pressing the white circle. But if you have more, then this all on feature is very useful, so you don't have to go one by one. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.